Name New York Yankees till someone messes up.
Luke Weaver, Lou Gehrig, Max Fried, Mickey Mantle, Aaron Judge, Babe Ruth, Spud Chandler, Mariano Rivera, Paul O'Neill, Derek Jeter, Ramiro Mendoza, CC Sabathia, Cody Bellinger, Paul Goldschmidt, Devin Williams, Garrett Cole, Bernie Williams, Giancarlo Stanton, Bobby Abreu, Andy Pettitte, Jorge Posada. Oh, what's his name? Yogi Berra, Cecil Fielder, Bill Dickey, Wade Boggs. Wade Boggs, darn it. Elson Howard. Let's go with Tim Hill, Darryl Strawberry, Tony Lazzari, Doc Gooden, Joe Gordon, David Cohn, David Wells, Juan Soto, Austin Wells, Gleyber Torres, Jose Trevino. Ooh, that's a good one. Will Warren, Allie Reynolds, Ryan Yarbrough, Carlos Rodon, Joe DiMaggio. How can I forget that? Jason Dominguez, Jason Giambi, Tommy Henrich. I give up. You win. He wins.